Hello everyone, Bryan here. Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we will go over how to interact with a smart contract on Kadena. Let's open up Chainweaver and make sure you have selected testnet. Next, let's try to find a test contract for this tutorial. Navigate to the contracts page by clicking the tab on the far left. Next, we select Module Explorer on the right of the page to find the smart contract. Under Deploy Contracts, type in free.task-tutorial-module and we change all chains to 1, as this contract is on chain 1. This is a tutorial module that was deployed to the free namespace. Click View next to it. This will now show us more information about the contract. Here, you can see and run the function of this smart contract. Click Call to the right of the Add To function. In programming, calling a function is another way of saying that we will run the function. You should get this pop-up where you can enter some number. What this smart contract will do is add 2 to this number. Put in a number like 4 here and click Next. Under the account, type in the K account, which has test KDA on chain 1. If you don't have one, please go back to an earlier tutorial. Click Next, and let's leave the guest capability empty and without assigning key. This just specifies who will pay for the guest. By leaving it empty, it means that the account you put in on the previous page will pay for the guest. In future tutorials, we will cover capabilities in more details. Under Unrestricted Signing Keys, select the public key for your K account. This is the same as your K account, but without the K at the front. Click Next again, and you should see at the top, it will say a guest payer was not selected. You can ignore this as it will default to your K account. The Submit button may not be selectable if you have any issues, but if everything went correctly, you should be able to click it. Under Raw Response at the bottom of the pop-up, you should see 6. This gives you a preview of the outputs of the function you will call before you actually call it. This helps you verify things work as expected. In this case, it is correct since the function is add2 and we put in 4 as the input. We are expecting 6 as 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Now, to actually run this on the blockchain, click Submit. Let's wait a few minutes while the smart contract executes everything and stores your interaction to the blockchain. If everything works successfully, you should see a success message.
A few moments later.
You can now see the transaction is successful. Congratulations on calling code on the Kadena blockchain. That's all for this tutorial. If you loved the content, remember to show some support by subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.